Again?
Yep, not to squad.
Oh,
For the following county, Tuscarawas, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, northwestern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southwestern Harrison County in east central Ohio, northeastern Muskegon County in east central Ohio, southeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles south of West Lafayette, or 10 miles southeast of Coshocton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Freeport, Plainfield, Tippecanoe, Piedmont, Otsego, Deersville, Birmingham, Bowdoin, Bolton, Clendening Lake, Piedmont Lake, and Tappan Lake.